Lesson 1.2 Protecting Consumer Rights. Before beginning this section, please read Section 1.2 in your book. Protecting consumer rights is a very important issue for consumers. There was a time when consumers had little voice in the issues that affected them. They basically had to accept what was given them by the provider of the good or service and had little recourse. However, the development of the consumer movement changed that by promoting the idea that the power of consumers as a group can balance the economic and political power of business and industry. The consumer movement has been led by consumer advocates. These are people who work on behalf of consumers. From these consumer advocates came the development of consumer rights and responsibilities. These consumer rights and responsibilities are detailed in the Consumer Bill of Rights. Some of your consumer rights are as follows: right to safety, right to choose, right to consumer education, right to service, right to be informed, right to redress, and right to be heard. Some of your consumer responsibilities are as follows: responsibility to use products safely, responsibility to use information, responsibility to choose carefully, responsibility to speak up, responsibility to seek redress, responsibility to learn, and responsibility to reward good service. Both the federal government and state and local governments have laws to protect consumers. Over the years, the U.S. Congress has passed many laws to protect consumers. There are several federal agencies that help enforce these laws as well. They are the Federal Trade Commission, the Consumer Product Safety Commission, United States Department of Agriculture, the Food and Drug Administration, Federal Communications Commission, and National Telecommunications and Information Administration. There are other organizations which also provide information for consumers that help assist them with intelligent consumer decisions. These consist of the following: consumer groups such as the National Consumer League, consumer testing agencies and publications such as Consumer Reports, business and industry groups such as the Better Business Bureau, and news media such as television shows and websites.